Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my new vlog. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Meher. How are you? Say Assalamu alaikum.
What is your father's name? Abba. What is your...
Dadi, how is the celebration going on?
Very nice. I am so happy.
Yeah, very
Guys, if you are here, I will also beat you.
So friends, today is my cousin's sister Meher's birthday. Yes guys, today is a very nice day. She's the youngest member of our family and she turned 1 year old today. So guys, right now it's 7 o'clock evening and now we have to go to Barbecue Palace for the birthday invitation. So friends, you can see Ayat.
Hello, guys. I'm so happy to go to my little sister's first birthday.
Friends, you can see Dadi.
Ready.
Yes.
I am going to my granddaughter's 1 year old
Yeah.
party.
So friends, this is the entrance of the family hall. You can see. Friends, finally we have arrived. And you can see Anavya. Friends, she's our birthday girl. Meher. How are you? Say Assalamu alaikum. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Meher. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Meher. Happy birthday to you. Friends, now we'll show you the food buffet. So, and friends, you can see Kaka over here. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Yes, we are also
Yes,
good.
yeah.
How's the party going on?
Party is going very good. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Okay. And you can see Chacha.
Hi.
Yes. And how are you?
I'm good, Aris. How are you?
Yeah.
It's Meher's birthday, so we are celebrating Meher's birthday. First birthday we are celebrating.
So friends, right now over here you can see what I took. So right over here is the shawarma, then pizza, kebab, and hummus. Good, very good. So friends, right now I'll show you the buffet. So over here you can see the different types of sauce, hummus, then the salads, all the salad varieties. Over here you can see mixed naan. Here, mixed naan. Here is the mutton kebab. So you can see. This is the fried fish. You can see over here. Then dal tadka. Dal tadka. Over here. This is chicken kadai. So you can see over here the chicken kadai. Over here is the chicken Manchurian. Wow, delicious. Over here is the vegetable rice. Wow, so nice. Nice varieties over here. Then chicken biryani. Wow, look at the color. So mind blowing. Over here is the shua chicken. Shua chicken. Shua with the rice. It's Arabian traditional food. Then pasta alfredo. Wow. Here is the gulab jamun. Wow. Oh, gulab jamun and suji halwa. Gulab jamun and suji halwa. Wow. Delicious. Friends, you can see Aban. Aban, how are you?
Fine.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Say like,
Like,
share,
share,
and
and
subscribe.
subscribe.
Shout. Yay! You can see over here and now we are sticking the pizza. Friends, now we are going to try the kinza. Kinza citrus.
So guys, I'm drinking the Kinza Cola.
Your best friend is McDonald's.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Aban's best friend is McDonald's, guys. Wow. Yes, Aban?
Yeah, fine.
See?
Lalo.
Ronaldo, yes. Ronaldo. Guys, who do you think? Messi or Ronaldo? Guys,
is the good.
who's the GOAT?
Ronaldo.
Oh, Ronaldo is the GOAT. Everybody, Ronaldo is the GOAT. What do you think? Write in the comments below. You can't open? Guys, Anabia can't open this. Guys, I finally opened it.
Guys, I'm going to try this Kinza Cola. So let's try it.
Okay.
Refreshing.
Okay, it says refreshing. Now let's see about Anabia.
It's refreshing.
Refreshing too. Okay, now I'll open mine and see. So guys, now I will try my Kinza. So let's open it. Friends, now I'm going to try the Kinza citrus. So let's try. Wow, it's really cool. Dadi, how is the celebration going on?
Very nice. I'm so happy.
Very nice. Okay, good. Enjoy. Friends, over here you can see such a nice fountain they have designed over here. Like, wow, so good. Meher, how are you? Say Assalamu alaikum. So cute, look. She's 1 year old, guys. Meher, where is fan? Where is fan? Guys, she's looking up. Where is the fan? Guys, there is no fan. Bruh, poor Meher. Anabia needs sweet. Oh, Anabia needs sweet.
Not yellow.
What is your father's name? What is
Where is Ayatappi? Guys, look what they are playing. Like, bruh. Guys, they're playing hitting with balloon. Go. Hit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Guys, if you are here, I will also beat you.
Ban, how was your gulab jamun?
Very good.
Yeah. So friends, you can see the main course. The naan, the roti, and chicken kadhai. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. So friends, now I'm going to try the roti and the kadhai. So let's try right now. So friends, now we'll have the sweet, which is the gulab jamun. Nabia will try the gulab jamun. So guys, Nabia is trying the gulab jamun.
It's really good. I like it.
Nice, okay. Friends, you can see Kaka over here. So Kaka, how was the dinner over here?
Yeah, very delicious, nice.
Chacha,
Yes,
how was the dinner?
dinner was so delicious. We enjoy a lot of food.
Yeah,
Biryani, chicken, kebab.
okay.
Now we'll have ice cream.
Okay.
Yummy ice cream.
Guys, right now we got the ice cream, vanilla ice cream. So let's try this also.
It's a vanilla ice cream. So
Vanilla
let's
ice
try. So good.
Okay, good. So friends, now we'll try the ice cream. Very good. Guys, Meher's birthday cake is also here, pistachio. So we'll try this also.
What?
Good. Very nice taste.
Guys, we are having so fun in the restaurant.
Over here, he was playing with the balloon, blue balloon, and bro, the balloon literally went there. See that? Balloon went in the river. Aban, what did you do? Balloon went there. What you did? It was a really great experience in this hotel, and you can also come here to for a family fun.
No.
Okay, bye Aban.
Sleeping time.
So friends, now we are going.
Where is moon? Where is moon?
Where is moon? Oh, moon is up. So friends, finally we are back and we enjoyed really a lot today. Today was Meher's first birthday and you can also experience Barbecue Palace in Azeba, Muscat, and it's a really good restaurant. So today we enjoyed Meher's first birthday and this will be a memory. So now it's time to end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.